Lessons. It's one on English lessons in grammar using agree with, agree to, and agree on. Let's get quickly into this one. You use agree with plus a person, an idea, or a situation. That is, having a similar opinion as someone else or approving something. For example, you will say, I usually agree with my sister. Mark agreed with my idea of revising our club rules. The committee agreed with the decision to allow professional singers to enter the competition. I agree with you that this sauce is the best. I agreed with the approach you decided to take. Now note that the facts may agree with or correspond to each other, or your findings do not agree with our results. You use agree on plus an idea or a situation. The grammar is agree on plus the noun or the gerund. Agree on means that something you are sharing similar options about items, topics, or standards. For example, each one in the room agreed on plans to stay home on the weekend. Can we agree on meeting again next week at the same time? I hope you can agree on the terms of this contract. And the CEO finally agreed on the budget for next year. And finally, agree to means to commit to a course of action, a proposal, etc. You use agree to plus a verb. I never agreed to give the money over. The company agreed to lower the commission rate for 3 months. And thanks for agreeing to become a part of our group. I hope this helps in your quest to understanding difficult phrases and how they are used. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, let me know what you think. And of course, if you are returning to the channel, thank you so much for stopping in. Have a blessed week.